Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla has called for all-out efforts in the fight against tuberculosis and to ensure that future generations live in a world free from TB. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla was speaking during state-level observance of 44th World Tuberculosis Day, which was organized on the theme, "Yes, we can end TB, commit, invest, deliver," at Darbar Hall of Raj Bhavan today. As part of the program, Governor distributed certificates of proficiency to IRL Laboratory and also to winners of painting competition, which was organized in connection with TB Day. Speaking further in the program, with devastating impact on individuals, families, and communities, the governor lauded 100-day TB elimination campaign. The governor further said that the initiative was implemented across 6 districts in Manipur since December 7 of 2024, and around 1 lakh individuals were screened, leading to the identification of more than 400 new TB cases. Door-to-door testing with mobile vehicles known as Nikshay Vahan was adopted, ensuring early diagnostics and treatment in remote areas. He further stated that under the Nikshay Mitra initiative, individuals and organizations who have committed to supporting TB patients through nutritional assistance have been enrolled. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla also assured that the government is committed to ensure elimination of TB within the stipulated time, and also appealed the people to pledge today to redouble efforts to eliminate TB so that future generation can live in a world free from TB. Governor commended healthcare workers, administrators, and support staff who have contributed to ensuring the Kaya Kalp program a success. Meanwhile, Commissioner cum Secretary Health Sumant Singh highlighted the achievements of the 100-day TB elimination campaign and also informed that Manipur has shown outstanding performance at the national level in the 100-day TB elimination campaign, underscoring the state's commitment to eliminating the dreaded disease.